Want to link your phone to your Windows computer? In this complete guide, I'll show you how to connect either an Android phone or an iPhone using Microsoft's Phone Link app. We'll cover the entire setup process, enable the necessary permissions, and make sure everything is working so you can easily access your phone from your PC. Start by opening the Phone Link app on your Windows computer. If you can't find it, click the Start menu, search for Phone Link, and open the application. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account. Using the same account across your devices helps Phone Link create a secure connection and keeps your information synchronized. Yeah, it's an important step. Next, select whether you're connecting an Android phone or an iPhone. Phone Link supports both devices, although some features may vary depending on your operating system. If you're using Android, open the Link to Windows app, sign in with the same Microsoft account, and scan the QR code displayed on your PC. For an iPhone, enable Bluetooth on both devices and follow the pairing instructions until the connection is confirmed. After your phone is connected, allow the requested permissions. These include access to notifications, contacts, messages, photos, and phone calls. Granting these permissions allows Phone Link to provide its full range of features. Once the setup finishes, you'll see your connected device inside Phone Link. You can now view notifications, send and receive messages, answer calls, browse recent photos, and manage your phone without leaving your Windows computer. It really helps you stay productive, and that's how to link your phone to Windows using Phone Link. After the initial setup, staying connected across your devices becomes much faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials, smartphone tips, and easy tech guides. I'll see you in the next video.